project is built using Highland stone freestanding wall and column units. Excavate the trench for the freestanding wall and column. Overall depth is 12 inches. The wall trench is 21 inches, and the column trench is 39 inches square, extending 18 inches on one side of the wall trench. The leveling pad itself is 6 inches deep, built in 2 lifts, thoroughly compacted after each lift. For this course, place the first column unit so both finished edges are 6 inches from the edge of the leveling pad. Level side to side and front to back. Place the second column unit perpendicular to the first. Use a third column unit to continue the pilaster. Finish the pilaster with a large wall unit. Build the wall outward from this unit. Cut or split a large wall unit and place it on the other side of the pilaster. Build the wall outward using a random pattern in a staggered bond. Backfill to the top of this course. For the next course, stack 3 column units on staggered bond and glue them. Then, place a medium wall unit in the open space left in the pilaster, and build the remaining wall outward using wall units in a random pattern on staggered bond. Glue all units. Follow the same procedure for each additional course of the project. Round any newly split exposed ends with a hammer and chisel. Complete this project by gluing the top 2 courses of the wall, all column units in the pilaster, and the caps with concrete adhesive.